How to withdraw from Coinmarketcap to Binance. Now, first thing you have to make sure is you are only using one account. So you need to use the same account at what you're using on your Binance account, the same as your Coinmarketcap. Now, once everything is the same, all you just have to do is to log into your account on CoinMarketCap by going to coinmarketcap.com or through your mobile application. Now, once you're in the site or in the app, just click on Portfolio. Now, right now, we're trying to connect CoinMarketCap to your Binance. Now, on the left-hand side on your screen, you'll be able to see Create Portfolio. Click on that and then click Connect Binance Account. Now, once everything is connected, it will automatically show right here the portfolio that you just created. Now, since I don't have any funds right now on my CoinMarketCap, you'll be able to see options here if you have like a certain amount of value on your CoinMarketCap. You just have to click on the existing value of your CoinMarketCap, and then once you click once you click on your existing value on your CoinMarketCap, you will be routed to the page in which you have to click on Add Transactions. It will be posted right here, this part. Now, once you click on that, you have to choose what specific currency you want, and then the specific amount, and then click Withdraw to your Binance. So that's basically how you can withdraw CoinMarketCap to your Binance account.